Invoice number V7778. Today is February 14th, 2023. We are video inspecting the family room fireplace. It appears to be a 10-inch round flue, 13 by 13 pop top damper installed. There is no adapter plate. Proceeding down with scan now. Basic cleaning has been performed for this flue. First course of flue tile, you have an open mortar joint. Just to focus. See that gap right there? That should all be filled with cement. It is open currently. Approximate height of this flue will be given at the end of the scan. You have a severe staggered flue. Cannot confirm if there's an open mortar joint beyond that. Behind that, it does appear to be open. Negative pressure is present. Quite difficult to establish any type of draft within this flue. Another open mortar joint is present. Missing cement right there. So you can get back on it. There, you're missing mortar. And on the opposing side as well, you're missing mortar where the stagger is. You're now further down in the flue. You can see there's a lot of moisture present, a lot of effervescence. Another open mortar joint. Exposed brick in between the joints as well. You're now entering the smoke chamber. The smoke chamber is unharged. There are multiple gaps present within the chamber itself, as you can see, and I will focus on them. Right there. You have some gaps right before the smoke chamber. The smoke chamber is completely unparged, all exposed brick with deterioration. We are approximately in height 15 feet tall. The firebox does have moisture damage as well and shall be repointed. I would recommend resolving the water issues from the exterior before any work is performed moving forward. That concludes the video inspection for today, and defects have been observed.